Hi there. Somebody asked me a question and I like to answer it this way. For you to get into music production, you must be able to identify the basic tonic surface on the keyboard. This will be your guide in any kind of production or while trying to play any form of instrument. You mean the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. These are very, very crucial things for you to know. As far as music production is concerned, there are certain things you need to put into consideration before you start. One, you need a very good computer. A minimum of core i5 is okay of 8 gig RAM or possibly 12 gig RAM and above. After that, you need time and a very good headset. We call it earphone. You need a very good headset if you cannot afford a pair of studio monitor. What I mean a very good headset is studio monitor headset. A very good studio monitor headset that will help you listen very well. Clean sound is all you need, and you don't need distraction. Now, after you've gotten your laptop and your good headset, you need a sound card. This amplifies the sound out of your computer. It is an input and output amplifier. You get it. So you need it to connect your speakers, to connect your headphones, you connect probably your MIDI. Some have MIDI ports on them. It's called a sound card. If you've gotten this, follow me on Instagram and let's make it work.